Hi guys, so this is the adulting planner and you're looking at the July through June version. It starts in July and it goes to June. Also, there's a January through December version. Starts in January, ends in December. But right now, for this video, I'm going to focus on the July through June version. Okay? So let's head over back to that version. Love this planner, isn't it so bright and colorful? I just wanted adulting to seem fun and attainable and not so serious and scary. So again, these are the months on the side, the index extra pages and the stickers. And when you click on each month, it goes to that specific month. Now if you tap on the star takes you back to the cover page. And the star is on every page except the cover page itself. Now on the index page, you see you have 5 notebooks. You have a year at a glance, goals and vision board. And you have 6 blank templates. Now if I tap on the first notebook, you'll notice there's a line page after. And it's the same exact way for all the notebooks. Okay, now we can tap on a year at a glance, go to goals, vision board. You can tap on it from your index too. You have 6 blank templates which you can create whatever you would like, and the templates have a blank page behind them. When you tap on extra pages, you'll see debt tracker, monthly expenses, meal plan, grocery list, shopping list, recipe, workout schedule, self-care, cleaning schedule, password tracker, meeting, project, to-do list, adulting to-do list, grids, blank, line, more grids, blank boxes. You have these cute adulting note pages with the dots at the bottom. And this one that has the dots going vertical. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, now we have the different weekly pages. So if you don't like the weekly page that comes with the planner, you can change it. So we have vertical weekly pages and some weekly pages blank, daily pages, and now stickers. I tried to do a lot of different stickers. So we have holidays, post-it note stickers, and adulting stickers. So let me go back to July. And I know you can't see, but at the corner of each week, that takes you to the weekly page. It's an invisible link. And this is how the weekly pages look. Okay, going back to the month. These circles take you to the different daily pages. So let's tap on one. And this is the daily page. Now the daily pages are blank, so you do have to write your own date. These 3 boxes can be used for your top 3 priorities, or breakfast and lunch and dinner, or gratitude and affirmations for the day. to-do list, schedule, blank box, and a mood tracker. Adulting, kinda adulting, maybe tomorrow. And you can fill it in based on how you feel you're doing today. Like, are you adulting, kinda adulting, or maybe tomorrow? I'm going to pencil in adulting. For each month, there's an adulting tracker page, so you can track your adulting wins for each day. And these adulting wins are meant to be fun and lighthearted and not serious. So you'll see, took only one selfie, smile, ate a vegetable, style my hair, remember to breathe. And this is number 1 to 31 because there are 31 days in July. So each day you will pick one adulting win and write it in. I think this is a good way to track how far you come along. So for July 1st, I'll say I tried. For July 2nd, I'll say styled my hair. For day 3, ate a vegetable. For adulting, I don't think there's any such things as small wins. Okay, on to stickers. And let's place one of these stickers on the month of July. I do have a separate video where I go in depth on how to use stickers, so if this is moving too fast, don't worry, you can watch the other video. Okay, you can make the sticker big, small, and place it into Wednesday slot. Okay, so we're back on the index page and you have 5 notebooks and 6 blank templates. Okay, let's click on a notebook, and in the back it has 1-line page, and that is the same for all the notebook pages. And if you tap on a template, it has a blank page after, but you can always add any page after that you would like. Okay, let's say for my notebook, I want to add a page. And let's say I want to add an adulting notes page. So you'll find that page in the extra pages. And you have to scroll. Tap on the 3 dots at the top, hit copy page. Now go back to the notebook section. Tap on the 4 squares at the top. Bring down the arrow. Add page after and paste page. Now the adulting note page is right after the orange notebook section. Okay, now let's go to the notebook section. And there it is right there. Now let's say you want to duplicate that page. What you would do is tap on the arrow, hit the 4 squares at the left, tap on the arrow on the page, tap duplicate, tap on the arrow again and hit duplicate again. Now you have 3 adulting note pages and close it out. Now if we go back to the notebook, you have 1, 2, 3 adulting note pages. And while we're on here, let's label our section adulting notes. And I think I'm going to change the color to, I think white. Okay, so let's go to the index page so we can label the notebook on the index page as well. Okay, so now when we click on the index adulting notes section, it'll take us right to our adulting notes. And I'm going to write something that I have to do now that I'm an adult, which is make an appointment for my car. Okay, so I hope you like the planner and I'll talk to you next time.